everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on sunflower. Sunflowers are bright yellow flowers that face the sun. They grow tall and strong, following the sunlight throughout the day. Sunflower fields create beautiful golden landscapes. Bees and butterflies love to visit sunflowers for nectar. Sunflower seeds are tasty and healthy snacks. The spiral pattern of sunflower seeds is fascinating. Sunflowers symbolize happiness, loyalty, and longevity. Artists often paint sunflowers because of their beauty. Sunflower oil is made from pressing the seeds. Sunflowers bring joy wherever they bloom. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.